How to fix the daily upload limit on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're facing this issue on your YouTube, it's quite simple to fix it. You just have to verify your phone verification in a one-time verification process or video verification. So you can either open your YouTube or YouTube Studio and go to the video whereby you get the notification that your daily upload limit on YouTube has been reached. Just tap on that video and you will see the option to go to your account.google.com. Once you reach on that page, you will see the option of phone verification. So you can either do it in two ways. You can either verify your phone number via text message or call. Tap on your country, enter your phone number and tap get code. After that, you can check your phone for the 6-digit code and enter the code to verify it, or the other process would be a video verification, which might take up to 24 hours. Once that is done, you can reattempt to upload and it should probably work. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.